If you keep starting comic projects you never finish, chances are you're picking the wrong kind of project for your current skills and time. Today, I'll show you the quadrant method, an insanely simple way to choose projects you can actually finish without burning out. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which ideas to focus on and which ones to shrink down. You can also grab the free 90-10 worksheets to make this even easier. Let's break it down. Step 1, understand the 4 forces: effort, complexity, saturation, and opportunity. These 4 things decide whether your project will survive or self-destruct. High effort drains you. High complexity slows everything. High saturation makes it harder to stand out. And high opportunity is what brings readers in. Step 2, map your idea into the quadrant. Start with easy wins: low effort, low complexity, low saturation. Think slice of life strips, one panel comedy, small moments with personality. These are perfect for beginners because they're fast, consistent, and easy to finish. Step 3, explore the mainstream battle. These are your popular genres: romance, isekai, BL, GL. Tons of readers, but tons of competition. If you go here, you need one strong hook, not 5. 1. Step 4, identify niche gold mines. Low saturation, high emotional or stylistic interest. Things like historical comics, cooking manga, punk, or cultural stories. If you have a unique voice, this is where you shine. Step 5, avoid overkill projects. For now, massive fantasy epics, custom tech, invented languages, multi-timeline lore dumps. These are the graveyard of good intentions, not bad ideas, just too big for a solo creator starting out. Here's the killer insight most beginners miss. The project that feels most impressive is usually the exact one that burns you out. Professionals don't start big, they start smart. They shrink ideas until they're finishable. If you're starting to see what quadrant you belong in and want more help, check the playlist linked here, the binge guide that walks through choosing, shaping, and testing story ideas. Before we wrap, here are a few pro tips. 1, you can then always expand later. Start with a short, sharp version of your idea, then grow it when you have proof it works. 2, mix quadrants. A niche goldmine idea can still use an easy win format. 3, don't build worlds from scratch unless you absolutely need to. 90% reference, 10% twist. Let's close this out. You now have a clear way to pick smarter projects, avoid burnout, and finally finish your stories. Grab the free 90-10 worksheets to chart your next idea. And when you're ready, watch the next video. Stop overthinking, start with what already works. It'll help you kickstart your comic using the simplest system possible.